Australia to fix its migration system for workers and students. Today's video highlights the important points that the Minister of Home Affairs raised while recently speaking at a worker summit about Australia's inconvenient immigration system. Have you faced any delays in the processing of your work visa application for Australian immigration? Share your experiences with us in the comments section below. Clare O'Neil, the Minister of Home Affairs, claimed while speaking at a workforce summit that the authorities in Australia are examining the country's broken immigration system. She believes that Australia needs to transition out of the permanently temporary migration. She further said that the authorities need to take measures to allow skilled workers to permanently come to Australia without any difficulty. In addition to this, the Minister of Home Affairs regarded Australia's migration system as unstrategic, inefficient, and useless for businesses, migrants, and the local population. For the last 2 decades, net skilled permanent migration to Australia has remained at 30,000 annually. On the other hand, temporary visa holders in Australia have increased from 1 million to 1.9 million. The minister claims that Australia needs structural reform to rebalance every program, which could take years. Till then, Australia is likely to be an unappealing destination for migrants. Those with low skill levels find it easier to come to Australia temporarily, but a high-skill, permanent migrant might be hesitant. Moreover, the government considers international students forced to leave Australia after graduating from local universities an untapped market. Nearly 50% of graduates who stay behind have to work jobs for which they are overqualified. Our video update for today ends here. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more updates on Australian immigration. Thanks for watching.